Hello, good people. Hey, everybody. Welcome to this session. I'm Mr. Asam as usual, and it is another weekend, and it's just another time for sharing analysis. Now, it has been more than 2 weeks. It has been more than 2 weeks I've not shared analysis, and because of those timetables that I was just completion. So, at least this weekend I have got some time. I'm going to share analysis for the coming week from the 1st of August to the 5th. And always my analysis is going to start with the monthly time frame, because we are just going to start a new week on Monday, and actually we have closed our monthly candle, so I can have some information from the monthly candle. So always looking to this monthly candle, what I see there is just a rejection. I see a very powerful rejection around this zone, and actually looking clearly, it is around a certain region that was resistance in the previous, then it was broken, then the price has been trying hitting that support, and it has not successfully broken it, and even now it has bounced around the same level. So it is a clear indicator that now the coming month is going to be up. Now due to this rejection there, this is just an overview having this rejection, and the overall picture for what is going to happen in the coming month, mostly it is likely to be having something bearish before taking over to the upside now. So we will have a bearish push to about 50% of this previous candle. So then after having that, we expect a powerful push to the upside. So what's going to now, what will be the building structure of this push to the downside? Now I'll explain it clearly as I move to lower time frames. And then so we'll have other things, maybe I can incorporate other things there. Now if you have idea about trend lines, you can develop a trend line around there. Then you'll find that it was there, respected, broken, and now it has retested that broken trend line. So sometimes you can do even those things in a monthly, weekly, or any other time frames. So now looking clearly in weekly time frame, probably I can generally start with this. Now this is looking like a spinning bottom, and actually it has got rejection, the most powerful rejection to the downside, and little rejection from the outside. So it was a sort of an indecision, but finally buyers came in and took over. So in this week, actually buyers have been powerfully pushing up, and even the candle has crossed with a very power to the upside. So this is very powerful in a weekly time frame. And then we can incorporate even an upper channel. So maybe I can allow my analysis there to be visible. So you see, you have this upper channel, so price is approaching this, so we still expect it to have a push to around that channel. So now after having that push to that upper channel, then we'll be looking for either price is straightforwardly breaking this or rejecting to the downside before it takes up again and break this channel. So two things are possible there. So as I'm going to lower time frames, we can see what is mostly likely to happen in weekly time frame. Now moving to daily time frame, maybe I'm going a little bit quick, and it is just, this is an overview, so you can add your own analysis. I just give you highlights, the very important things, so you can sit down and maybe do your own analysis by following those highlights. Example, I have talked about this support. Now this was support, now it has been supporting several times, and then the price has turned around that particular support. You see this one, probably I can increase the intensity. Now this one, and then at the same time this has been supported through this channel, the lower channel, so it is very powerful, and now it is approaching toward this. So now I'm in a daily. So in daily time frame, the most likely thing to be there is having this price pushing to that channel, and this push to the upside, it is still supported with this. We have this, and now this candle has got rejection to the downside, and at the same time it has engulfed the previous one, so it is a bullish engulfing thing. So this one is very powerful, pushing to the upside. And at the same time, we see, maybe I can remove this arrow. Now it was in my previous analysis, so I can remove this. Also this one is on, it was in my previous analysis. That has been respected for about 2 weeks consecutively. Now I projected this fall here. So now looking clearly here, also we see the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Now you see, maybe I can point here, you see this one, then it went up, then we have this, it went up, and also this one, then it took over. So we can have this shoulder, head, and another shoulder there. So now this is also a sort of powerful indicator that price is going to push to the upside. But before pushing straight to the upside, we still expect it to have a certain fall now. Now this fall will be a correction, and this correction is most likely to happen when the price has already touched this upper channel. So after touching the upper channel, we expect to have some push that may be deep. It may be deep down. That push may be deep down. Then after having that push, price is going to break, then a retest, and finally it will take over to the upside. So now those are the projections, and I'm in a daily time frame. So the most likely thing to happen is this. So even in other lower time frames, what we're going to confirm there is just what is clearly happening now recently, you see, recently. But now the overall picture here is price is doing something like, now you see an impassive move. What I can say there is just having this push, correction push. So when you look those things clearly here, this one is impassively pushing up, and this push here, it is still looking like it has got some power to the upside. So now what we're going to maybe to watch on opening of the market is to watch this push toward that channel, and always now specifically price is most likely to push to around 1800. You see this level here, 1800. So now this is most likely to be turning point for price when it is pushing up before it corrects, or before, now you see, or before it breaks and correct. It is most likely to hit the channel, correcting and moving up. So anything is possible there. But after the price has reached this channel, so we'll have those two alternative things. So what we are expecting to trade on opening of the market, we're going to trade this push to the upside. Now this is going to be our trade. This push to the upside is going to be our trade until hitting the 1800, the 1800. So after hitting the 1800, I will wait now. You have to wait, looking for either price breaking this channel straight to the upside, then retesting before it takes off, or hitting the channel, moving down, break, retest, then up. So those are the observations. But let us trade. Let us wait to trade this push, this buy. We must have buy positions on opening of the market. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, you put comments, so you can share this video if you think that it is valuable. Make sure that you share. That's very powerful. So I welcome everyone to Awesome Forex, and always remember we're doing what we call the one-on-one training, so you can join that. And also we do the online training. Also have got those we call the face-to-face, and also have got the online. So all of those analyses are provided. So thank you for your time, and welcome again to Awesome Forex.